Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can get free delivery on your Wolt app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, simply tap open your Wolt app, and once you tap it open, you will end up in this kind of interface. So all you need to do is simply log in into your account, and once you get logged in into your account, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. So here, all you need to do is simply tap on the Wolt Plus app. So as you can see, there is a section called Wolt Plus on your screen. So this is a premium version of your Wolt. So if one individual subscribe to the Wolt Plus account, then they will have the benefit of getting free delivery on their Wolt app. So to get free delivery on your Wolt, all you need to do is simply subscribe to the Wolt Plus channel. Other than this, the only way to get free delivery is to apply the promo codes and coupons if you get one on any special occasion. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.